Shut up, plane! I'm recording a video! What's poppin', y'all? It is your boy Rish. As you can tell, it's dark. I got a hoodie on. It's kind of cold here in Florida. They got a different kind of cold, man. We got a new axle. Finally, we're able to get it from O'Reilly's. Asses weren't trying to give me my axle that I had on warranty, that supposedly there's no warranty attached, but I still have the axle, which makes 0 sense. But in the end, I got a complimentary axle. Dumbasses. Oh yeah, got an axle finally. The passenger side really needs it, man. And we got front upper control arms, some Moogs just to swap it in, because the OEM ones right now, stock or whatever's on there right now, awful. They're shot. Got the new refurbished whatever O'Reilly's axle in. All right, y'all, I feel like this is kind of like a good idea to do, like make a list and kind of staple it in front of your face. Things that you just got to get done that's been on your mind. Our minds could be racing and think about a million different things and kind of get distracted easily. You guys probably deal with the same thing. I do a lot, so I'm kind of bouncing around everywhere, which is not always a good thing. List, tape it, write it on the board, whatever in front of your face, have it in front of you. Just cross off the list and work it through. So, driver's upper control arm, blue Loctite on hybrid short shifter. You know, thing, because it keeps moving on me. You guys keep saying like to do it. I keep complaining. I just got to get it done. Clean the inside of the car, clean the outside, take Sky on the walk, slobber on both sides. It's dirty. Got to get our weekly wash and clean in. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, because as you see on this list, it says super important. So this is what we do now. Focus on now. Then do this. Follow that and not steer away, because I do that a lot. Ratchet. That's up. That was easy to pop out. So I'm hearing that little bit of a popping sound, which kind of indicates ball joints, either your lower or your upper. In this case, my lowers are a lot more recent Senki 555s. So if you guys are looking for ball joints, here's some information. The best ball joints to get are the Senki 555s or OEM. And if you go any other brand, they don't last, like the Moogs. To be honest, some of the Moog stuff kind of went down to quality, but yeah, stay away from that for ball joints. Just Senki 555s or OEM. If you're a low boy and you keep dealing with axle issues, you could also get like Jay's Racing's, the 360 spherical extended ball joints. Kind of helps with the angle for the axles. Those are kind of like the 3 options. But other suspension parts, Moog is pretty good. Cheap enough to be solid and then replace down the line if you need to again, because it's not that bad. You can get this thing and let me put it in. I'm not gonna really show you guys. Easy as that. Basically the upper control arm is in. I just realized when I opened this box that it actually doesn't come pre-filled with the grease, and actually comes with the little screw they had to put in and then, you know, fill in the grease. So yeah, I forgot that on the passenger side. So thankfully the in-laws are gonna come and bring the grease gun, and I don't have to like do it later. Sweet. So that is one thing off the list crossed out. Honestly, I'm gonna go on to the next thing real quick. It's real quick to do, so simple. Get that crossed out. That's gross. I always be nervous when cars are in jack stands to even like go sit in it and whatnot. Next thing on the list real quick is taking out this bolt and this one, I believe, and putting on some blue Loctite so it could just stay into place and not move every time I go like shift around or just periodically. You know, you see how easy it is to move and whatnot. So ends up like this. I usually ends up like this because the way I kind of shift, but I'm trying to be a little bit better about not trying to force it at an angle so much. Let's go ahead and do that. We got the grease gun here, filling this up. Shut up, plane! I'm recording a video! And pumping my grease!
Which that's what he's doing right now, guys.
We got our nice brand new Hondata Flashpro Mini right over here. You wouldn't even notice because it's just so sleek, compact, and just hidden away. We are in the car. We're gonna go drive down towards clear water areas. Yeah, we gotta come back and just walk around, see all the beautiful Christmas lights. It just looks so nice. to the beach side right quick. Side of the beach or the beach side of beach. Why not beach? We out here, bro. We out here. It's a little chilly, just a little bit, but not that much. It's just cool and chilly. Yo, tell me why it's low-key kind of scared me. Because we just seen a gator today, even though we're at the ocean. Got my booty hole quivered.
All right, so we're gonna wash the car up right now. You see how filthy it is before. And that is nice and clean inside. The front is nice and clean as well. Vacuumed. You know the vibes.
Continue on the list. I'm gonna finish off this wash, do the inside. We're gonna go from there, do some crackle popping and driving. Enjoy. All cleaned up for the most part. In upcoming videos, we're gonna be repainting my ACURA TSX. Very subtle way without repainting the whole car. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Tacos acquired. Hold on real quick, y'all. We gotta take our food break, you know. Some good old steak tacos, can't go wrong. Cheers, y'all. guys, that'll be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. A little different angles and vibes for you guys. Hopefully you hear all the popping and stuff. But we're in Mexico doing the speed limit anyways. You know, AI is getting really intense these years, so anything is possible. GTA. Thank you guys for watching. It's been your boy, Rish. And if you guys want these kind of t-shirts or something, different colorways, let me know. Drop me the comments down below. Peace.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.